Alright guys, well this is the Vegan Silver Stacker here. I just want to give you a heads up. This is a brand new video that just came out today. Hillary Clinton coughing literally for 3.5-4 minutes. This is Labor Day, September 5th, 2016. Okay, so don't let anyone try to tell you that this is an old video.
Hey, Cleveland! Happy Labor Day! When we were trying to figure out where we could be, we all said, let's go to Cleveland!
This is about the only thing she gets out.
And I want to thank Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting us.
Someone actually booed.
I've been talking so
much.
Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic.
Okay, this is so rich. This is so great. Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. Okay, I have allergies. Okay, this is just... She's doing whatever she can right now to try to put the blame on anything other than her being sick. Okay, this woman is mentally deranged. She's physically not fit to be president. She's sick. Okay? She fell down, she slipped, she hit her head. Okay? You guys might remember she had those weird looking glasses. Okay, that was because her fucking head was all messed up. Alright? So she wouldn't get headaches or whatever. Now this is happening. Her coughing fits. This is like the 5th video I've seen of her having a coughing fit. Oh, I can't do it. She shakes her head. This is going to be rough. Literally, she can't get anything else out.
Boy, we have 63 days to go.
How awkward for Tim Kaine in the back. Just like, spit it out, you witch. Alright, I'm just going to go through this. This is a joke. This must be a joke. I feel like this is a joke.
The next vice president, didn't you? So thank your great Senator Sherrod Brown.
God. Look at them all. They're all reaching for the lozenges. Tim Kaine actually just stood up. He was going to give her a throat lozenge.
2 other great members of Congress, Tim Ryan and Joyce Beatty. And your...
Do you really want this woman, when she's got to go do a press conference or a news briefing, you want her to sit up there and fucking cough for half the time? Jesus.
Now, behind me are some of the great labor leaders of our country. Saunders. I'm proud to be on the same stage with them.
Yeah, but you can't talk, you demon.
Now, let me say that we're here in part because you said that Ohio is one of those battleground states. You hear challenges, and that's why this election, and what I want to...
You know what the sickest part of this all is? She's going to be known as a hero. The left is going to praise her as a hero for sticking it out through her coughing fit. She could have stepped away, but she talked through the whole thing. You know that's what they're going to try to say. Anyway, this is the Vegan Silver Stacker. I'll let you guys make your own opinion on this, but holy cow. Anyway, have a happy rest of the Labor Day. Peace.